If you're like most people, you probably don't spend a lot of time thinking about your car's paint job. But if you want to keep your car looking its best, it's important to give it a good cleaning every now and then. One product that can help you clean your car's paint is Car Cleaning Gel. This gel is designed to remove dirt, grime, and other buildup from your car's paint without scratching or damaging the finish. We did the research for you to find the best cleaning gel for your car. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Car Cleaner Car Cleaning Gel. The first item on our list is Car Cleaner's Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is perfect for those looking for a more economical option to clean their car's interior. It can perfectly clean any hard-to-reach gaps, such as the car air conditioning vents, gear, and dashboard. It is also capable of cleaning any pet hair that may be stuck in a corner of your car. The gel is also specially designed to not stick to your hand. Adding to its experience, the car cleaning gel has been scented with a light fragrance to keep your car smelling fresh. The reusable car cleaning gel can also be used on digital products, such as personal computers, keyboards, digital cameras, and laptops. Number 2. ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel. ColorCoral is an excellent representation of what a car cleaning gel should do. It offers an eco-friendly way of cleaning the interior of a car without leaving behind a sticky residue on the surface. The lemon-scented car cleaning gel will surely make your car smell pleasant when you are done cleaning. The multifunctional car cleaning gel can even be used on keyboards, calculators, vents, air conditioners, television, and other appliances. ColorCoral also offers a money-back guarantee in case of issues with the product. Its non-sticky formula and pleasant smell make this car cleaning gel the best overall on our list. Number 3. TICARVE Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning putty by TICARVE has a sweet lavender smell, so it not only cleans but also leaves a nice scent behind. Isn't that awesome? It is super easy to use and will not stick to your fingers as it is made using high-tech material, making it perfect for cleaning out your car, furniture, or keyboards without damaging anything. The eco-friendly composition of this putty means you can comfortably dispose of it without worrying about its environmental impact. But perhaps the most amazing thing we must talk about is the packaging that helps prolong its usability. It has a tinfoil seal and a sealing cover in place, and also a piece of waterproof paper inside to safeguard against moisture, so it effectively protects against wear and tear when the putty is not in use. Number 4. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. PULIDIKI has also brought us this fantastic car cleaning putty which will clean up your car and furniture in no time. It comes in blue color with a slight fragrance to give your car a fresh smell after you have cleaned it. Eco-friendly to ensure it is not harmful to you or the environment. The PULIDIKI Universal Car Cleaning Putty is also reusable, so you can keep using it until it turns black in color, at which point you must replace it with a new one. Once you are done using this car putty, you can put it inside a sealed box for storage. This putty can be used to clean most water-resistant and smooth surfaces. You also don't have to clean it at all since it is made to be sticky enough to pick up all the dust or debris without sticking to your hands. Number 5. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gel. This FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gel is highly versatile and can clean a range of surfaces. It is perfect for cleaning any nook and cranny of your automobile. This biodegradable gel is made of environmentally friendly ingredients such as natural vegetable gum and glycerol. The car cleaning gel also gives off a pleasant scent when using it. Moreover, FiveJoy makes sure this gel does not stick to your hand so that it is not a nuisance to handle. This gel is reusable and can clean any surface or appliance such as laptop keyboard, printer, game console, TV remote, speaker grills, fan grills, and vents. With 4 different colors to choose from, this car cleaning gel offers the widest variety on this list. That's all from my end. If you want to know product price, do check out my description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon button, and leave comments below that will encourage us to do better. Stay updated with us for more cool products.